Klimt+1 can restore mana from green stone when using with Freya Powers 1. Klimt+1 is the only hero in game who can restore mana from 3 color of stone when using with Freya +1. I also forgot to mention about Klimt+1 able to counter certain hero in game from my last video. I will show in this video. Klimt+3 can gain 75% critical chance, 150% critical damage, reduced damage 75% when he has 5 stacks. Klimt+3 new passive will be explained in detail later. Klimt+5 has damage cap of 30% HP, restoring 45% max HP when below HP, 30%, 2 times per battle. Dragon Breath reduce healing 90%, and it is not a debuff. This awaken also counters some meta hero in game. Klimt+1 can restore mana from green, red, purple when using with Freya +1.
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Last video I mentioned Klimt+1 after casting a skill. He first restore 1 stack of mana, then only get stun. This ability able to make him counter hero with 1 turn stun, like Francine and Gunnulf. This video shows Klimt is unstoppable. Even he gets stunned by Francine every turn.
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Fire leads us to eternity!
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Your sins are unforgivable!
Draconic power! Bear this pain. Draconic power! Draconic power! Feel the fury!
Fire leads us to eternity! Your sins are unforgivable!
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Klimt+3, every turn of 3 multiply reduce damage and transfer damage to a target. Please look at the number of turn on top of the screen.
Bear this pain.
Turn 3, look at the Dragon Flame on Terran and Klimt. This is the link of damage transfer from Klimt to Terran. Please note this link is a debuff. Please continue to watch this video, as it will reveal more of the link.
Draconic power! Feel the fury!
Hysteria Mortis! I give you my all!
Feel the fury!
Fire leads us to eternity!
Draconic power!
Turn 6. Please note there is Dragon Flame on Klimt. However, there is no Dragon Link icon on the defense team. It is because the Dragon Link is applied on Klimt+5, who immune to all debuff.
Draconic power!
Z+5 has cast skill, his realm immune to all debuff. So can Klimt apply his Dragon Link on the defense team. Answer is cannot as shown in turn 9. Dragon Link is a debuff and cannot apply on any defense hero due to Z+5 realm.
I give you my all.
If you face Klimt+3 in defense, you can cleanse the Dragon Link if you worry about the damage transfer. Klimt+5 in attack. Defense Team 73 Red Resonance, Attack Team 70 Red Resonance. In this video you can see how resilient he can be when he is using shield weapon.
Draconic power!
Return to the origin of
Fire
life.
leads us to eternity!
Feel the fury! Draconic power! You will bear this pain. Feel the fury!
Return to the origin of life.
Draconic power!
Return to the origin of
Fire
life.
leads us to eternity!
Draconic power! Bear this pain. You will bear this pain. Draconic power!
Return to the origin of life.
Draconic power! You will bear this pain. Draconic power! Feel the fury!
Return to the origin of life.
Bear this pain.
Let the roses show you things.
Draconic power!
Let the roses show you true time.
You will bear this pain.
Let the roses show you.
Return to the origin of life.
Draconic power!
Return to the origin of
Fire
life.
leads us.
You will bear this pain.
Draconic power!
Klimt+5 can one hero take down the whole red meta team. One of the strategy is to stack high on lifesteal, so when he counterattack, he can heal a lot from it. Can he still do the same thing with Klimt+5?
Fire leads us to eternity.
Draconic power! Draconic power! Draconic power!
Return to the origin of life.
Draconic power!
Bear this pain.
Draconic power!
Fire leads us to eternity.
Draconic power! Draconic power! Draconic power!
Fire leads us to eternity.
Return to the origin of
Draconic
life.
power!
Bear this pain.
Fire leads us to eternity.
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Bear this pain.
Return to the origin
So
of
will
life.
Fire leads us to
Klimt+5 cannot
eternity.
do much on red meta team, when Klimt+5 is on the
Draconic
defense.
power! Draconic power!
How about Poseidon+5 with current blue meta team?
I will rip you to shreds!
Eureka!
Return to the origin of
Fire
life.
leads us.
Draconic power! Draconic power! Draconic power!
I will rip you to shreds!
I give you my all.
Return to the origin of
Fire
life.
leads us to.
Draconic power!
Feel the
I will rip
I give you my all.
Draconic power!
I will
Feel
rip
the
you to
fuel,
shreds!
dragon.
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Feel the fury!
Draconic power!
Return to the origin.
Fire leads us to eternity.
Draconic power! Draconic power!
Bear this pain.
Draconic power!
Fire leads us to eternity.
Return to the origin of
Draconic
life.
power!
Feel the fury!
Fire leads us to eternity.
Bear this pain.
eternity!
Bear this pain.
Sonic power! Sonic power!
Fire leads us to eternity!
Sonic power!
Klimt+1 counters one-turn stun hero, like Gunnulf, Francine, Haley Bomb. Klimt+5 counters Poseidon+5, combination of Gunnulf and Nightingale. For high-power players, you may consider getting Klimt+5 to avoid your red meta team being one-shotted by Poseidon+5, or the blue meta team with Gunnulf and Nightingale. It is also advisable to cast his skill once if the board is lack of red and green stones, so he can stack his passive every turn. His defense is on the low side, so if you are fighting enemy of same or higher power than you, it is better to use shield weapon like Gunnulf or Emir weapon. His reduce damage taken plus shield from weapon will make him very resilient.